Well, it was some good cheer for the Indian contingent, at least today morning. And how? Take a look at that visual on your screen. Indian boxer Satish Kumar is through to the quarterfinals. We have PV Sindhu from badminton. She has been acing it through, and in straight sets, she's also managed to now go a step up. We have, of course, Atanu Das, and this time a great morning with regard to the manner in which he stumped the gold medalist Oh Jin Young. And then hockey, at least trying to recover and strike back and through to the next round. Let's take you through one by one and what happened in the morning today. Let's begin with Indian boxer Satish Kumar. He's reached the quarterfinals of the men's super heavyweight category. Now Satish Kumar defeated Jamaica's Ricardo Brown 4-1, but that was a split decision. Kumar is now just one victory away from ensuring that he will leave this Tokyo Olympics at least with one medal in his hand. Dominant in the first two rounds, Kumar then had to endure even an injury above his right eye during the third, but he managed to keep the Jamaican at bay to then emerge victorious. But of course, Nari Shakti has been at display. This Tokyo Olympics, India's ace shuttler PV Sindhu storming into the quarterfinals of women's singles. Sixth seed Sindhu eased into the final 8 with a straight game victory over world number 12 Mia Blichfeld. Now, Denmark's Blichfeld was no match as it appeared for Sindhu, with the 2016 Olympic silver medalist won straight sets, 21-15, 21-13 in a match that lasted 41 minutes. Sindhu, however, is yet to drop a game at the Olympics, so she'll now face either the 12th seed Kim Geun or the 4th seed Japan's Akane Yamaguchi. The match will take place tomorrow afternoon, and of course, all eyes will be on PV Sindhu. Now let's go across with that to Atanu Das. Atanu Das finally getting us some cheer in archery. Atanu Das caused an upset in the round of 32 by defeating 2012 gold medalist Oh Jin Young in shoot-off. He then had lost the first set but drew the next two before taking the fourth to level the match. It was a recovery worth watching. In the fifth, Atanu Das matched the Korean arrow for arrow with 28 points each. The game headed into a shoot-off. The Korean had already won the team gold, shot another 9. But Atanu, going second in the shoot-off, sealed his place in the round of 16 with a perfect 10. But of course, a sport that has been a favourite for the country, at least for Olympics, hockey. Indian men's hockey team are also in the quarterfinals. Now they have defeated reigning champions Argentina goalless after the first two quarters. India has now taken the lead in the third after a video referral awarded to them a penalty corner. Varun Kumar converted a superb drug flick. Michael Casella scoring the equalizer for Argentina with another penalty corner in the final quarter. But it was India finally upping the ante toward the end, scoring 2 goals in as many minutes, and Argentina found themselves 1-3 behind in no time. So with now 9 points out of the possible 12, India have cemented their second place at least in Pool A.